Vivian, Simia.
Hello.
This is the Belosa squad. And
We're here in Tagaytay. It's early rise today. The kids have their provincial taekwondo competition.
Provincial, imagine. Provincial meet, Nikki and Mishka. So ito yung mga damit nila.
Oh, they're already in the training, so they're doing the warm-up. And we're here first time in Tagaytay Oval. It's a new sport complex where the competitions are.
Yeah, it's windy. Yes, it will be nakaka-nervyos, especially first time nila lalaban ng provincial.
Yeah.
Ready, Mommy?
Yep.
All right,
I
so
think we're ready.
let's go. Okay, this is the place of the competition. Anna. Oh, that's Team Cavite. Okay, let's go inside. Trece Martires, Carmona. Saan kaya ang Team Naik? Let's see how beautiful is their venue.
Inuulit po namin para po sa mga coaches na may discrepancy sa pangalan ng players nila. Andito na po si Sir Carlo.
Ito, Team Naik. It's Team Naik.
Para po iayos sa kanyang mga names ng bata.
That's Nikki and
Importante po.
there we go, Mishka. Oh. There we go, Nikki and his partner, classmate Mishka. Last minute, talk with the mommy. Mishka, there we go. Nika's fighting for single and team individual. And Nikki will be fighting double, pair, and team. Good luck. Good luck, Mishka. You can do it, huh? Use your charm, huh? Nikki, Velocis, Natar, and Mendoza. For team girls, Team Naik.
Inuulit po lahat po ng ating participants. Baba ho kayo.
Go, baba, participant. Okay.
Begin with our program. Nagayaan ko ba Sir Louie Fabay para mag-lead our opening prayer.
MICS. Good luck, kids.
Kunin mo na yung energy, baka mawala yung cellphone mo.
Nasaan po ang GMA? Palopio.
Next na si Mishka. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Mishka's warming up. Go, Mish. And there are like 18 of them. Oh, there are more than 18 of them competing for gold and silver. This is Sean. Kasama niya sa Team Naik. Galing din ito. Black belter. Okay, Mishka's next. Come on, Miss. Sister. Mommy's happy?
Okay. Nag-coffee ka na?
Go, Mish! Galing, 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 galing. Proud of you, boy.
Do it for the Matagal niyo na akong kinukulit sa mo.
So, break time muna. Nagpa-participate doon ng mga ibang girls. So, mag-ano muna kami, magtataho muna kami ni Mrs. Okay, mixed pair secondary. Good luck, Nikki. Go, Nikki. Go. Okay, sila na. Mixed pair. Okay, next sa si Nikki at si Bien. Oh. Go, Nikki and Bien. Yes! Go! Go, Naik! Okay, the next one is the team. Oh, Miss! Anim lang sila maglalaban. We're here in the stairs para mas malapit kami sa video. flight is so it's 10 a.m. and tapos na 11. So yung boys, unfortunately, this one is team girls secondary. Go! Good job, guys!
Maybe it's closed
okay, so
skating?
it's lunch break and mamaya yung final, so si Nikki pumasok sa team and mixed pair, but kay Mishka unfortunately hindi nakapasok yung team nila and single.
Yep.
So yeah, punta muna kami na Sky Ranch, have a little lunch and balik sa finals. Go Team Nai, go Nikki! Okay, we're here in Amare La Cocina Sky Ranch for our break time together with Nikki's team, Kenna and ano name niya?
What's your name, guys?
Laika, Kenna and Haika, with Coach Renel and Mishka. Go Mish!
The main supporter.
And the soccer mom, Anna.
What?
Soccer mom. Okay, so start na ang pair, mix pair, Nikki and yung classmate ni Mishka. Go Nikki! Yes! Okay, finals. You're the last team. Kenna, Nikki. Yes! Go! Go! Yeah. Yes! Awarding na. Awarding. Let's see kung makakakuha ng award si Nikki. Kasi nakapasok siya sa 2 finals.
So, ladies and
Okay, ito yung sa boys. Elementary single.
and the gold medalist from Amadeo, the Bukidnon Visayas team. Okay, photo up.
Okay, for girls
From
na.
Tagaytay, Novera Lorenzo Villanueva. Our silver medalist from the municipality of Silang, Mendoza de la Cruz, Roca. And ladies and gentlemen, our gold medalist coming from the municipality of Naik.
Wow! Go! Go!
So once again, bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan lahat ng ating mga winners and lahat na nag-compete today sa ating 2025 Cavite Patriot Sports Competition Pumse category.
So 2 medal ang nakuha ni Nikki, gold sa team and bronze sa pair, sa mixed pair. Good job, Nikki. Thank you for watching. See you on our next vlog.